Patricia Costa with Cisco IoT. In Cisco IoT, we talk a lot about bringing IT to the physical world. Today, I'm here at the Cisco Experience Center with Albert Mitchell, Technical Market Engineer.
Hello.
When we walk into this building, one of the first things we notice is this robot. What's going on here?
Yeah, so the robot is here because we were trying to represent Cisco's manufacturing initiative and solutions. And nothing really represents manufacturing more than just seeing a robot. So we're here to sort of catch your eye and get you there to see, like, okay, Cisco does manufacturing.
Can you expand a little bit more on manufacturing and how we develop our products purpose-built for environments like this?
So before we get into the products themselves, so Cisco is listening to the customers, and we're really trying to build manufacturing solutions and products for those solutions to address the primary customer concerns, and that is safety, security, uptime, production. And so with that, we've also are trying to help the customers with ease of use. So we also have our DNA Center, our Identity Services Engine, or ICE, for security purposes. And so then we also have multiple products along those lines. So what we're showing here today is this DIN rail mount IE3400. This is one representative of a family of DIN rail mounted products that we have to suit a lot of the manufacturing environment customer requirements, because not everybody needs a 3400 or this many ports. You can need something smaller. But we also have another Ethernet switch here. This is an IP67. It doesn't stand for Internet Protocol. It stands for Ingress Protection, and it's an IP67, and that means waterproof and dustproof. And you might find a product such as this in a paint environment, for instance, in your manufacturing facility. In addition to all that, the Cisco products are supporting the standard industrial protocols such as Profinet, Ethernet IP or SIP, MQTT, Modbus, and we work with the other vendors in these environments such as Rockwell, Siemens, ABB, to name a few of the vendors, to bring about solutions that work. We put all of our products into validated designs, so we test it all out, make sure it works, publish all these documents for you to use so that you can use those as design guides to build your solutions. So that's a roundabout way of why we have a robot here to allow us to talk about manufacturing and how Cisco is really serious about this and really enabling products and solutions for you.
Thank you, Albert. And thank you for taking the time to learn more about Cisco IoT.